reach the mountain heights. Ham radio echoes reaching the sky.
Thought I'd just touch base with an update on the coils for the Shorty 40. So through an error on my part, I miscalculated the microhenries needed on those first coils. So what I've done, I've redesigned the coils, and what I've done, due to this overall length of the reflector being around 10 metres, so we've shortened it by about 50%. I've now made the coils suit the inner diameter of a 28mm aluminium tube. So about the first 2.6 metres, well 2.5 metres will be 28mm. Then I'll have about a 100mm reducer, and then it'll step down to 25mm for about another 1.5 meters, and then the rest will finish off at 19mm to make it fairly solid and robust. So these are the new coils that we've designed. These ones here tested at, that's a rear one, 13.7, 13.6 microhenries. And let me see if I can get the mic over here. And this is our lux meter that we use. So if we can get that to fit in, I'll show you how I measured. Done some calculations, so we're just going to, well, it's zeroed out, but we'll just re-zero it out and save that data. So that's saved. So what we'll do is just move these over here, and we'll just show you the readings on each coil. So this is for the reflector. So I think you can see that 13.6 microhenries on that coil. And we're around 13.7 on that coil, so well within spec to make a balanced set of coils for the rear reflector. I think you can see that there. So those coils are tested out well. It's 2mm copper enamel wire, and I've wrapped them in self-amalgamating tape. And what I'll do is get some marine heat shrink and put those over the top. Now, I'm not going to mount these until I slide these into the elements, and obviously that wire will get pulled through. It'll loop around under a washer on both sides and then give the continuity to the element. These are going to be mounted about 2.5 meters off the center of the boom. So that's the reflector element, and here are the front elements. The front coils. Now, based on the calculations, we're at 9.1 meters for that, and the spacing at 2.5, but we're only looking around 7 microhenries, according to the calculations that I've worked out. So we're at 7.4 on that one. That's a front coil. And 7.4 on that one. So those ones are almost perfectly matched for the driven element. So I thought I'd just show where we are with these. So we've got perfectly matched coils to complete the Shorty 40. As I said, these are wrapped in self-amalgamating tape, and I've just got them taped off here to hold. The self-amalgamating tape will stay in position, and as I said, I'll just put some marine heat shrink over that. And you can see this one's, I just wrote 7 microhenries. Obviously, I can tell the difference between the coils due to the windings. So we'll see how it goes. The next step is now to make a trip over to Smithfield, which is about 20 kilometres, 30 kilometres from here. And we'll pick up some tubing, and this is designed, the back element, as I've mentioned in previous videos, is 10 metres, and the front driven element will be 9.1 meters. So I thought I'd just let you know we had to make a correction on the coils. So we're moving ahead with those. We're now ready to go to the next stage. So when I get a chance, hopefully by the end of the week, we'll go and purchase some aluminium, and we'll get that coil up and running, and we'll see how it all works out. Stay tuned on the Short and 40 DIY, and we'll see how it all pans out, and come for a ride as we build it and we put it together. And don't forget, guys, if you could help us out, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like and subscribe button. That like button's a big plus for us. It really helps us get our content out there. So if you could really do that, really helps the channel out just to get us out there and get known, and encourage us to make more content. We'll make some more videos. We're going to start getting back out doing some PODA, some Parks on the Air, very soon. And we'll get some more video uploaded. We'll do some more videos, maybe some more coil builds, and maybe look at, after we do this Shorty 40, if it all pans out, we might look at doing a multi-band vertical using some 3D printed coil formers. Until next time, stay safe, and remember, keep the bands alive by calling CQ, and you just never know who may be listening. Until then, stay safe. Cheers.
We pass down the flame, CQ on the band. Remember the name with our hearts in the airwaves. We keep the dream alive.